Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nuseba Nodi. Today I will talk about my best friend. My best friend's name is Amina Akhtar Othoi. She is 12 years old. She is in class 6. She studies at Collectorate School and College, Rangpur. She lives in Rangpur. Her family consists of 3 members. She has no siblings. Actually, she is my cousin, but she is my best friend for some reasons. The reasons are she is very trustable and reliable. She can make people laugh with her jokes. She is also very helpful and honest. She is a bibliophile. She loves reading storybooks. She is also a cinephile just like me. We watch Disney, K-drama, C-drama together. She dislikes watching anime. She dislikes eating milk and banana. She also dislikes applying makeup. So that's all about my best friends. Thank you for listening me. Assalamu alaikum.